Hello and welcome to Cat World channel. In this demonstration, I will explain you how to create auto-ordinate dimensions. Okay, so you can see this is our part which is created using revolve command, and this is the drawing of this revolve part having the front plane and side plane projection. Now I will create a auto-ordinate dimension along these edges as well as these uh, radial dimensions. Okay. So how to proceed it, you can see we are in annotate tab, and so this is option ordinate dimension. So we will drop down this menu and select auto ordinate dimension. Now this the system is giving, let's say, pick one or more surfaces. Okay, so you can select these surfaces using one by one using control key, or you can select all of these surfaces using this selection box. Okay, and now you can press this OK button, and now the system is asking for a baseline. Okay, select a normal to screen reference for dimension creation. So the baseline is the line from which you are basically your origin. So this is our origin. Okay, so you can see all the dimensions has been created. Okay, so what about these are the dimensions along these edges. Okay, now what about the radial dimensions? So you will select again auto ordinate dimension, and now the same procedure, you will select all the surfaces using selection box, press OK. And now in this case, in order to create the radial ordinate dimensions, you have to show the datum planes, because this option will need selection of a datum plane. So you will select this datum plane. Okay, so you can see that you are having these radial ordinate dimensions as well as the dimensions along these edges, along the length of this part. Okay, so hope you have liked this video. So please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.